everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is going to be a vlog, and I will be losing my virginity to Chipotle today. That is right, I have never in my life been to Chipotle, but that is all gonna change, and I'm bringing you guys with me. And I'm going with my little cousin, Stef. She's been on my channel here before. A few days before I even went, I texted one of my OG friends here on YouTube, Jana. I will have her channel linked down below. She has a channel all about recovering from an eating disorder, and I highly recommend checking her out. And we've been friends for probably close to 3 or 4 years now, and we actually met here on YouTube. And so she is the queen of Chipotle and worked there. And so I asked her what to get, and I'm gonna insert the text messaging conversation we had right here. And this is her recommendation. However, and in the end, I didn't actually end up getting that, which you guys will see in the video, but it was a good suggestion, and I'm definitely gonna try it the next time I go. And she also gave me a few tips about going to Chipotle, like that the only thing they'll charge you extra for is queso, guac, and meat. And she also gave a great tip that their queso is disgusting. So I did make sure to stay away from that. And so, like I said, go check her out and tell her that I sent you. And without further ado, let's jump into the vlog. So I'm with Steph. We just left Bath & Body Works. She got a vent clip for her car because she got her license. And now I'm going to lose my virginity at Chipotle. So, Steph, what are we getting for dinner? No kidding, we're getting a burrito bowl.
Chicken with white rice, no beans, mild salsa, cheese, sour cream, lettuce, maybe guacamole and chips.
I gotta make sure I get a little bit of everything. That's good. That is really good. So Chipotle was a success. Definitely liked it.
Hold that.
And we're gonna start a series of trying restaurants that I've never tried before. Because I've also never been to KFC. I've also never been to Taco Bell. So we're gonna do drive with me videos with Steph and try different food places. But that's it for today's video. You guys wanted me to vlog more, so here's to losing my virginity at Chipotle. You purposely did that.
Yeah, I know.
So that is today's bonus video for you guys. I hope you liked it. We are going to start a series, and we're probably going to call it Losing My V Card, and it's going to be all about restaurants I've never been to, because like I said, I've never been to Taco Bell, never been to KFC, and I'm sure there's a bunch of other restaurants I've never been to. So if you guys are interested in seeing that as a series here on my channel, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos each week, and also I do a ton of bonus videos, and you can become a member of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!